Yo, guys, welcome back again today. Today, you guys know what it is. You know I love my Ghanaian people. So I had to do this. And we're going to learn Tree today, which is Ghana or Ghanaian language. There are multiple languages in Ghana. If you didn't know, there's multiple ethnic groups, people that have different traditions and different languages, right? So today we're going to be learning Tree. And I'm excited because I've been wanting to learn Tree for so long. I actually knew one or two words a long time ago when I hanged out with some Ghanaian people, some of my peoples, but I've actually forgot them. So we're going to learn today. So the first one, could I have it, please? So this is, how are you?
Ahontase.
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 Okay. Ahontase.
Ahontase.
Okay, so for now we're going to accept it because you're new to it, so.
Hold on. I just want to make sure I get it right. So, ahunta?
Like, like, to say, yeah.
To say.
Yeah, like, to say. But then, like, your facial expression, like, you do, but they should flow naturally.
I'm trying. I'm learning. I'm just copying you the way you did it.
Yeah, like, okay, no, I was trying, like, for you to get the sound of it. That's why I was like, yeah. So like when you were able to know the sound, then you go like naturally. Okay, so, I want to sing.
To sing.
Yeah, I want to sing.
I want to sing.
Yeah.
I want to sing. You said?
Yeah.
I want to sing. Hey, yo, guys, we got it.
Yeah.
Finally, I know a little bit. I had to and then go down. I want to sing.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Well, could I please have the number 2? Hopefully, I'm not as bad at number 2.
No, I think you're doing great. Okay, so number 2 is, okay, I've missed you.
I've missed you. So, guys, this is I've missed you.
Yeah. My fail.
My fail.
Yeah, my fail. Yeah, I think this one you got it.
I got it. My fail.
My fail.
My fail.
Yeah, you didn't want romantically, so it's great.
Yeah. Well, when you talk about love and stuff, I get that easy.
Yeah, I think it's easy for men to get it when it comes to, romantic stuff. Yeah, so it was easy for you to get it because, okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's say it one more time.
All right. My feel.
My feel.
Yeah.
My feel.
Yeah, my feel. Yeah, my feel.
So I could say, so you would say that too, like
passionately, like my feel.
My feel.
Yeah.
And you could say that, like, so if there was a man or a woman that was speaking to somebody in Ghana,
yeah,
you could say my feel.
Yeah, my feel. Yeah.
My feel.
So if you say that, it should be like the person you should tell. Maybe you can tell it to your family members or like somebody you're in a relationship or your friends. Like your friends, yeah, you can say, "Oh, my feel. Hey, I want to say my feel. How are you? I've missed you." Yeah.
Okay. I'm loving it. Hey, yo, I'm learning Tree out here.
Yeah.
You better watch out, Ghana. I'm coming. Okay, so could I have the third one?
Okay, so since you're doing great when it comes to like romantic things, so I'm gonna do I love you.
I love you. So guys, this one is I love you.
Yeah, I love you. Medom.
Yeah, medom.
Yeah, medom. Yeah.
Medom
like,
or medom?
If you say medom is love.
Okay.
So medowo. So I love you.
So
me is me.
Mm-hmm.
Do is love. You. So medowo. Wo is you. So medowo.
Oh, medowo.
Yeah. So it's 3. Yeah, it's 3 different 3 different words.
Oh, got you. So medowo.
Yeah, medowo.
Oh, medowo.
Yeah.
Medowo.
Okay.
Yeah,
I love you. Yeah.
I'm getting it. Yo, I'm really, I love Tree. Right? Do that little dance. You know? I know. I love it because it's something that still is really new to me, and I feel like it's very difficult to be. It might not be difficult for you, but to me, it's a little difficult.
Yeah, it is because trying to learn different language, I know how it feels. It's not easy.
It's not
trying to. Yeah, because language that you're used to is okay, it flows naturally, but something that you're trying to learn is not easy.
Exactly. I agree.
Right now, if I'm supposed to learn Chinese, I think it's going to be crazy. People are going to laugh. Oh, look at her.
Look at her. They're going to laugh at me right now when I'm learning.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, cool. So let's go to number 4, the next one.
Okay, so what's the opposite of love? It's like, right?
Yes.
Okay, so mepawasam.
Mepawasam.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Mepawasam, like
Me
You
pawasam.
yeah, you see somebody like, oh my God, I like you. Me pawasam.
So me
Pawasam.
pawasam.
Yeah.
Me pawasam.
Yeah.
Me pawasam.
Yeah. Oh my God, you got it good.
Yeah, I am. Pretty soon I'm gonna be talking tree fluent.
No.
Like
I think it's gonna take you a while. Please don't.
it probably will.
Don't try to get ahead.
Okay, I she said not to get ahead of myself.
No.
Okay.
That's just the basics.
I'm a baby right now.
Yeah, we just get back to you.
Okay. Well, let's go to the next one then, because I'm feeling myself too much. Let's go to the next one, number 5.
Okay, so the next one is sweetheart.
Sweetheart. So, guys,
Yeah.
this one is sweetheart.
Yeah.
And how do you say this?
Sweethearted. Oh, don't worry about sweetheart. Okay, so it is Makuma Mutofe.
Makuma matofe.
Yeah.
Ooh, I got that one so easy.
Oh yeah.
Makuma matofe.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Makuma Mutofe. Like Tofe is like, Tofe is something that everybody knows, right?
Mm.
Yeah. So if somebody say Makuma, my hat.
Oh, that's your hat.
Yeah, my hat.
I'm trying to say it like you. My hat.
My hat.
Oh, I'm
Like
so mad
the
at you.
sweetness in my heart.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweetheart.
Sweetheart.
So yeah, Makuma Mutofe.
Makuma matofe.
So we try to put it in a different scenario,
Mhm.
okay, to make it so nice that it means the person means everything to you. Makuma Mutofe. Yeah. So we have a song, yeah, Makuma.
Oh, Makuma. It reminds me of Makuna Matada.
No.
Ain't no passing days. It's sure. You guys know Lion King.
Yeah, Makuma Mutofe. Like we have a song like called Medofopa, like by Kojo Enchi, and it's a very class. Oh yeah, it's great.
It's a
Yeah.
classic song.
Oh yeah, it's so great if you understand it. It's so passionate. It's yeah.
Now I can understand a little bit because I didn't even understand that before, so now I understand a little bit.
Like you hear it, like something about love. Yeah, my sweet love. This is something that I'm playing for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me one more time.
Okay, my sweet love. This is something that I'm playing for you.
Okay. Well, I think I got that one pretty good. Okay, let's go on to number 6.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you want to eat? Like, so example, when maybe you come to my house, I'm gonna ask you, what do you want to eat?
Okay, so this one, guys, is what do you want to eat?
Yeah. What do you want to eat? So.
Okay.
Then I'll pick the but basically
That was so fast and so hard.
Yeah, I know. So
You have to slow that one down.
Back home, most time you have to add please to whatever you're saying.
Mhm.
Because people see it as very disrespectful when you're talking to somebody who is older than you.
Right.
Just saying the words, how are you? No.
Yeah.
You add please, me power cho. It's please.
Okay, so tell
So
me.
you have to add please to everything. But back home we say the me power cho.
Me power cho.
Me power cho.
So tell me the whole thing, but slowly,
Okay.
like a baby.
Okay. Wo
Wo
be
be
di
di
di.
di.
Would you like to eat?
Wo be
Di di.
di di.
Yeah. Wo be di di.
Okay. Wo be di di.
Yeah.
Why did it sound different when you said it earlier? I
Yeah.
feel like it was like
Oh,
way
like
faster.
I think okay. Wo be di di. Like yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. Wo be di di. Yeah. Wo be di di.
So woo woo.
Yeah. Like wo be di di.
Oh, woo be di di.
Yeah. Wo be di di. Like
It reminded me
so
of Pop Smoke. Like
yeah.
woo woo.
Like like I can say it. I can rap, so I can say so fast. Wo be di di.
Woo be di di.
Yeah. Like wo be di di.
Oh, you're gonna be a rapper now.
Yeah,
You're gonna be a rapper
like,
now.
Yeah, woo be di di.
Woo be di di. It just reminds me of. It just reminds me of Pop Smoke, like when he'd be like, woo, woo,
Yeah.
woo, woo.
Yeah. So okay. So if I ask you, would you like to eat?
Mm.
And then what do you think I'm gonna ask you again? Would you like to eat?
Yeah. What do you like to eat?
Yeah.
With a
so-
question mark.
Yeah. Would you like to eat?
Mm.
Okay. So ubedidi.
Wooba di di.
Ubedidi.
Oh, wooba di di.
Yeah. So
Di.
what would you like to eat?
Okay. Okay.
Ubedidi.
Di. I'm loving it. Okay. Well, on to the next one. The next one is number 7, which is.
Okay, so I'm gonna do like the number 7, the greetings. Yeah, so let's do the greetings. So back home when you see like anybody,
Mm.
don't pass by
Mhm.
because here people, you see people and then they pass by. It's so rude.
Yeah.
The person will think, oh, what is wrong with this person? Why does this person has a problem with me? So when you see anybody, you say, hi, good morning. Just keep your hi, but say good morning.
Which is?
Good morning, Machi.
Machi.
Yeah, Machi.
Oh, so good morning is good. This is good morning, guys. And good morning is?
Machi.
Machi.
Yeah, like
Machi.
Yeah, Machi. But then you have to stress it. Machi.
Machi. And you gotta lean too, like Machi.
No.
I know. You're just trying to teach me. I know. I'm just messing with you.
Ghanaians are friendly people,
Yeah, I love
they're so like.
I love Ghanaians. Like you don't even know. I love them. I love them with all my heart. To be honest with you.
They're so friendly. So Machi. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning.
Okay. Cool. So, yo, guys, we're gonna go on to number 7, the next one. And could you give me the next one, please?
Okay. It's good evening.
So this one, guys, is good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, macho.
Macho.
Macho. Yeah.
Macho.
Macho. Yeah.
Macho.
Yeah, macho.
That was actually pretty easy.
Yeah, it's kind of easy, macho. I think it's simple. Like, yeah, macho. Daddy macho.
Oh, is it macho?
Macho, yeah, macho.
Oh, macho.
You can stress, oh, daddy macho, like daddy macho. Okay, yeah.
So macho?
Yeah,
macho. Oh, ju.
Jo, yeah.
Ju. Macho.
Ju, yeah.
Okay. Hey, look, I'm getting it. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we got 2 more.
Okay.
I think 2 or 3, if I'm counting right. So, yo, guys, on to number 8. Please give me the next one.
Okay, so we're gonna do good night.
So this one, guys, is going to be good night.
Yeah, good night. Good night. Good night, guess. Can you guess?
Good night would be
Can you like try to be a Superman or something? At least try to read my mind.
I can't, I don't even know the language. I'm trying
for you to even guess.
Okay, well, good. Okay. Machu. So now I'm playing. I'm playing.
Okay, so like during the night, we say, oh, the year.
The here?
The year.
So day?
Year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The year.
Yeah. No,
the
year.
The year.
Year.
Oh, year.
Yeah, the year.
The year.
Yeah, so I'm trying to combine it. So the year.
Oh, da. Oh, e.
Like the year. So when you combine it, then the year.
The year.
Yeah, the year.
The year.
Yeah, the year.
The year.
Yeah, so like the year. But I think for you to be able to sound like a pure Ghanaian, it's going to take a while. Like it's going to, and with that, no, like.
I'm a little sad now. I thought I could sound like a pure Ghanaian. I can't even say.
No.
I'm sort of sad now. Because I thought I could sound like a pure Ghanaian today.
Yeah.
You promised me that I was going to sound like pure straight from Ghana today.
I did, but with an American accent. No, like, do you know, like, the American people it's so hard for them to learn different languages.
Tell me about it, man.
Yeah, because of the accent.
Well, because the English is a language, it's a lot of the other languages, sometimes they're in different family. They're different language families. So the things that you do in English, you wouldn't necessarily do in different languages.
Yeah,
and the things that you do in different languages, you wouldn't necessarily do in English.
Yeah, that's right.
That's why it's so hard for me. That's my excuse.
Yeah, but then I think so, like, the moment you speak, everybody will know, oh, this guy is not from here. Yeah.
Dang.
So don't try to flatter yourself.
Okay, I'm not flattering myself. I'm just trying.
I'm just golden mingle, like, nobody's gonna know.
I'm gonna talk just like them.
Nobody gonna know.
It's almost like they're
gonna know.
I know. There's almost like the Ghanaian. He's a comedian and he talks like he's like African American. He's like, yo, man, what's up, man?
What's up?
He's like, hey, man, you a player hater, man. I love him. But I'm just saying that's probably how I would sound if I was in Ghana.
Example, like here, like example. If I come here and then I try to play the American accent, there's no way I can be able to make it perfect.
If you're good, if you have a good accent.
No, but I don't have it. I don't even have an American. I don't think I have an American accent.
No, but I'm just saying if you work on it, you could have one. There's a lot of American accents. There's like there's like 4 or 5 of them, different regions.
Yeah, because like from where I come from, I don't want to mix like my accent with the American accent.
Of course.
It gets so confusing.
No, I understand. No, I definitely understand. Well, you know what? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to confuse you. And we're going to move to number 9.
Yeah.
We're going to move to number 9. So give me the next one.
So The number 9, what I'm going to do is I want you to guess, like, tell me whatever word is in your heart that you want to.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I never. Ooh.
Yeah.
No
so
one's ever gave
I'm-
me choice.
Yeah,
Everybody's
I'm
always taught
giving
me.
you the opportunity right now. So you take it or you fire it.
Oh, I's taking it.
Yeah.
Okay, so the word that I want to know how to say.
So bad.
So-
Something like you want to know so bad, so bad.
So bad. So the word that I want to know so bad, because you guys know how much I love cars. I want to know how to say cars.
Okay, so cars.
If I only know one word that I need in Ghana in my life is car. How do you say car?
Oh my God. It's an embarrassing question because cars, all my life I know that we call it cars.
There's no word for car in tree? Oh, you don't know the
Cars.
word?
Oh my
man.
I know there's like some word somewhere, but all that I know is airplane, like 3 words for airplane.
Okay, you know what? Let's go with airplane.
Airplane.
It's not as good as a car, but let's go
Yeah.
with airplane.
Okay, so airplane, we call it Riemu.
Rimu?
Riemu is sky.
So Rimu is sky.
Yeah, like Riemu is sky. So a shen. Okay, so car is shen. Like a shen is a machine.
Oh,
Yeah.
so well, let's just stick with plane now because we're on a plane. So say it again.
Okay, Riemu shen. So hi mom. I'm in an airplane. Ma me pacho me wo Riemu shen.
So
Riemu shen.
mu
Shen.
she.
Shen.
Oh, Shane.
Yeah.
Riemu shen.
Yeah.
You see, hold on. You sound just like me. I'm a true Ghanaian now.
Yeah,
You're actually.
okay.
I think I sounded a little bit better than you. Okay,
Are
I'm
you
playing.
kidding?
I'm
No.
playing.
There's no way because I was born there. I was raised up there, so there's no way.
You sure you starting to sound a little American? So now I'm playing with you. I'm playing with you.
There's no way you can beat me on this. No way.
Okay,
No.
I will never try.
I can get off over there, but everybody's gonna know. Oh,
Mm-mm.
this guy has an American accent.
That's why it's your
Everybody-
job. By the time you get done teaching me
Yeah,
tree,
yeah.
I'm going to sound just like I come from Ghana.
Really, this is gonna be a long way.
I know it's going to be a
gonna be.
long time.
But-
Okay, well, let's move on.
Mhm.
So let's
The
move
last
on.
one.
Yes, so let's move on to the last one, which is number 10.
Okay.
Give it to me.
So yeah. So what do you like to tell your audience after you're done with everything?
I would tell them thank you for watching.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so is that what we're saying next?
So we're gonna say thank you.
Okay, so guys, this last one is going to be thank you.
Yeah. Thank
So
you.
how do you say thank you?
Medase.
Madase. Oh, yeah, Madase. Madase. That's one of my favorite words.
Medase.
Madase.
Yeah, it's one of the favorite.
Madase.
Yeah, it's lovely to tell people that thank you.
Madase?
At least somebody wants to hear that word.
I want to
Thank
tell
you.
you for helping me learn tree.
Yeah.
Madase.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Yo, guys, so today we've learned a little bit of tree. This is my first time. You guys know I love to learn different languages, especially languages of African descent all around the world. So until next time, guys, please like and subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and always learn from each other, always love each other, always try to learn new things, and always just try new things. You know, I mean, it's the world and we should connect with each other. So until next time, guys, yo, peace, one love.